So we've got data points really, and we've been asked to find an equation which models this data set the best. As you can see, I've put a best fit line across it. Every straight line has the general equation y equals mx plus c. So what are our m and our c? Well, c on the graph, well, it's just over 10. I'm sneakily looking ahead to our options. So let's say c is equal to 10.1. Now the gradient, well, if we take the whole of the line from 10.1 to the base, we've got the rise is 10.1 and the run 5.5. Now the gradient is going to be negative. So you either say this guy is negative or just say it's negative. The answer is going to be negative. So this is negative 10.1 over 5.5, which is approximately equal to negative 2. They've got an answer of 1.9 here. So our equation is y is equal to negative 2x, I'm going to stick with my values, plus 10.1. And the option which most closely matches our answer is option B. You can short circuit a lot of the maths by saying, look, we've got a negative gradient and we've got a positive intercept. And then look at the options. This is negative gradient, but negative intercept. This one we know is correct. This is positive gradient and negative intercept. So these both are wrong because one or other of the options of gradient or intercept are wrong.